again and welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, I will be coloring my hair for the first time. Since it's my first time to color my hair, ako lang, ayoko muna yung super vibrant colors. I got Miseenscene in Dark Choco. Baka hindi to kumulay dahil nga black pa yung hair ko, as in dark black. May dark black ba? Basta black. No? Tignan natin. So yan, let's get started. So this is what it looks like under direct sunlight. Surprisingly, the color still appeared on the virgin black hair. I just noticed that the roots are lighter than the rest, but it did not result into any drying. Indoors, the color is darker as expected. After every shower, there's this salon-like smell, but I don't mind as it's tolerable. The color becomes more evident after several days. Overall, I recommend.